Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Drag and drop is not working. So guys, first click to start, type task manager, and after that find out the Windows Explorer. Okay, right click to restart. Wait few seconds, it will normalize after within a second. Next, run system file repair. Okay, so click to start, type cmd, right click to run as administrator. After that type this command, you can type manually, otherwise you can copy paste also, and then hit enter. So it will start the percentage 1 to 100%, and when 100% is completed means this command is complete. And after that I have another command, so please type this one also after this complete. So next command, this one, sfc scan now, and then hit enter. So same, it is started. Okay, you can minimize this. Then next method, click to start, type run. Okay, and type this command msconfig, and then click to OK. After that click on services. Okay, click on all, hide all Microsoft service, and then click to disable. Okay, because of this is already disabled, that's why it's showing here. Okay, and then apply, and then OK. Then next, update the mouse and touchpad driver. So click to start and type device manager, mouse another point device. So this is, extract this, right click, update driver, update, oh, spec, and click on search automatically for driver, then close it. Then try to second one, update, then update, and then close it, close. Then next, clean Microsoft option, check the Firefox options. So click to open this PC. Okay, then click on three dot, and then click on option. In the journal tab, clean Firefox history. So click on it, clear Firefox, clear Fire Explorer history, and then click on clear, and then apply, and then OK, and then close it. Then restart your system, and then please check if you are moving like this your data, so you can drag and drop it easily. Okay, thank you.